Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming on with you to start decorating my December daily. So as you can see, I have now put in all of the photos and majority of the kind of cards that I want to use in my December daily. I have also prepped the printed journaling that I wanted to do. So some of them have printed journaling, some of them have handwritten journaling, so I've prepped the ones that are going to have the printed journaling. Just giving you a quick little flip through. I've got all of the stories in there ready to go. There is one, well there's actually two technically that are not done, but that's because I'm going to do it with you guys when I get to those pages. So my goal for this series is to simply have between 1 to 5 pages decorated with you per video, so you can kind of see how I'm approaching December daily and going through it. So we're going to start with my intentions and doing a little bit of decorating on the front of this. Now this year I simply printed my intentions on this little sheet here, and I'm actually just going to glue it here, and then I'm going to stamp the word intention across here. I didn't want anything too out there and crazy because, like I said in my flip through of my 2017 album, I wasn't too happy with how it was looking with that giant intentions page when it didn't really matter. So my intention this year, I actually found this online. I just thought it was really kind of the way that I wanted to go about it. So it says, to take in the sights and sounds of the season and to enjoy all the things that make me happy about the holidays. So just a very simple and sweet intention. I'm just going to glue it down with some double-sided tape. So today I'm going to try and get story 1, story 2, story 3, story 4 and story 5 done. So I'm actually going to take them out and try to get them finished. I find it easier to work with it out of the album. This is my story 1 here. Now the first thing that I'm going to do, which is just so pedantic, is, as you can see, the cards aren't the same size. So I'm going to glue them together and then cut the excess off because I don't want it to be peeking out. I'm really particular like that. I feel like it looks, I don't know, I guess sloppy is the word. So I'm going to just stick them together and then cut the excess off. You definitely do not have to do this. This is me just being pedantic. And then cut the excess off. Okay, so that looks a lot better. Now I know I only want like a really little number 1, and I want it to just go in this top corner here. So I'm going to get my alphas. I have this pink number 1 which could be cute. I'll just pop it there. I actually really love doing outside of the pocket thing, so I'm actually going to do that, but I want to do a little cluster here. So I'm going to look at these busy sidewalk stickers and try and find what I want to do. This is a chipboard piece that I think will look cute and kind of make it stand out. So I'm going to stick the number 1 on top of it. These number 1s are from Kmart. I got them forever ago. I have no idea if they're still available. And like I said, the chipboard piece is from the Busy Sidewalks collection. Now I'm still trying to figure out if I want to do that on the outside or if I'm going to do it on the outside. I do like doing that kind of out of the pocket thing. I think it looks really cute. I'm gonna pop that on here. And I didn't even tell you what this story is. This is a whole bunch of gifts that I received from my students over the Christmas season-y holidays. I actually also want to put one of these tabs on there, so I'm going to write my journaling first. And that is how simple a story can be. I am actually going to just also stick these 2 photos together so that they look a bit nicer. will be putting on my little tab. You want to make sure that the photos are facing the right way. So pop that picture back in, and I am going to seal this with hot glue on the side. So you could use a stapler or something. I'm just going to use hot glue because it's my fave. And I'll just remove the excess with my tweezers. There we go. Adds a little bit of sparkle to it. Now I do want to just add a word on here. Something very simple. I've got this Oh Joy one, and I think that'll pull some red in there as well because we've got the green. If I had a pink one, that would be perfect, but I don't think, I could do the holiday. I've already changed my mind. There's this holiday cheer sticker, and I might be able to trim it so that it'll fit. And it might just fit on there. Is it gonna fit? It is gonna fit. Okay, we're doing the holiday cheer one. I think it's just, we don't want to introduce another color because we already have, and done. That is our story 1 done. So then I'm gonna flip it over. Now this story, this is the road that I take to go to school, to go to work, and it's flooded for the 2nd time this year. So that was kind of a different one. This is clearly not a Christmassy story, but it's something that was kind of very impactful for a few days because I had to drive over 2 hours to get to work. There's this car sticker, which is cute, but I think I might just make it a little sorry. Don't want to use the car sticker, I don't like it. I think I'm just going to do something simple and journal today and then have the date on there maybe. So I'm going to journal about this quickly. Actually, I got this brown pen, which is actually an archival pen, a little while ago in a D-stash, and I thought it could kind of tie the neutralness of this page together. So just something simple and short. And I will find my date stamp. There's so much stuff on my desk lately. I got my date stamp, and I will date stamp this as the 2nd of June 2021. Okay, and there it is, story 2. I'm gonna pop 1 and 2 back in the album. So that is the first 4 pages of my December daily. I'm just giving you a little close-up now. So story number 1 was some presents. Story number 2 was a flood. So tune back in next week to see how I decorate the next couple of pages of my December daily. So thanks for watching, guys. Bye.